We have a patient here who has a very severe post-traumatic deformity. He's had 7 surgeries before he's come to us like this. Now, what are the main issues? Naso-orbital fractures involving the entire orbit on the right side, the zygomatic bone, part of the upper jaw. He's got a scar on the lip. He's got issues with the nasal bone. They've taken a small flap from the forehead and they've tried to reconstruct this aspect, which I think he had some tissue loss as well. So now we have a situation where we'll have to work around the eye on the orbit, a little bit of the nose in order to reconstruct the orbito-nasal complex. Now, how do we go about doing these kind of complex cases? The first step is to take scans. We use our 3D lab to print models out, and then because this side is normal, we can mirror image it on the other side, and that gives us an idea exactly as to how to proceed. And then technically the earlier implants, whatever need to go, will be removed. The orbital reconstruction will happen. If needed, we'll also be harvesting grafts.
बाकी सब काम कर सकता हूँ, वॉकिंग वगैरह, रनिंग नहीं करता हूँ ऑन रेगुलर। आज सर इतना कम हो रहा है, मतलब 80% इस मंथ तक वो जो विंडशील्ड होता है वो कांच घुस गया, तो यहाँ पे एक स्क्रू भी था, वो दिक्कत होता था ट्रेन हुआ, तो उसको भी रिमूव करके उसको प्रीवियसली इस बार ध्यान रखा आई वाज प्रोसेसिंग।
So here we have a patient who's come to us with a complaint of a right orbital dysfunction. So if you see that this patient has come for facial asymmetry correction, he gives us a history of panfacial fractures 1 year back, and he's undergone multiple surgeries, but still he has this facial deformity. So in this scan we found out that there is a right zygomatic maxillary complex fracture that is laterally displaced, and also there are multiple fractures in this side of the bone which have been fixed previously, but it has been inappropriately fixed. So today we have planned our orbital reconstruction where we will be fixing the fracture properly after refracturing it, and also bringing we will be doing a orbital floor reconstruction where the eyelid and this hypoglobus of the right eye shall be corrected, along with the nasal reconstruction where the nose also shall be corrected.
So this is post-op first day of the orbital reconstruction case that we did. Patient is fully covered with dressing, so you won't be able to make out much today. Okay, आँख खोलिए, ये देखिए, इधर देखिए। ठीक है, कहीं डबल विजन नहीं आ रहा है? ओके, कल ये अभी मैं ड्रेसिंग चेंज कर देती हूँ। आपके पास कोई आई ड्रॉप्स है?
नहीं, आई ड्रॉप्स कुछ
Okay. Refresh tears we have in the pharmacy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You please suggest him refresh tear. I'll write and give. Tear drop, eye drops देंगे, बस ऐसे ही थोड़ा क्लीन रखने के लिए। दिन में 3 बार डालिए, 3 drops. Okay.